Hello student, Hemant sir is here. In previous video, we have started the heredity and evolution of your second part of 10th science. So today we will continue with the heredity and evolution. So heredity is the transfer of genetic characters from one generation to the next generation through the genes is called as heredity. Now we will understand the process today. So the process is called triple T that we have discussed. What is triple T? It is a transcription, translation and translocation. So इसको हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे आज. Very important that you have to understand. Okay. So the transfer of genetic character through the genes takes place with the three steps called transcription. First we have transcription. Then we have second step translocation. Transcription then translation. After translation, the third step we have translocation. This is translocation. So these three steps combinedly called central dogma. These three steps combinedly called central dogma. These three steps involved in protein synthesis. See, the protein synthesis, which is very important for the functioning of our cell. So we have to understand all these three steps one by one. So we know this is the cell. And in cell inside we have nucleus. This is the cell. This is न्यूक्लियस. ये सेल है, ये है हमारा सेल का न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस के अंदर में inside the nucleus we have like the thread like structure called chromatin fiber. This chromatin fiber is nothing but DNA. It's called DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. Here we have the small holes. These small holes on nucleus called nuclear pore. Here we have cytoplasm. And here we have Golgi complex, we have ribosomes, we have other cell organelles inside the cell and outside the nucleus. Okay. So इतने के हमको requirement है. That's why we have written this cell organelles only. Okay. So now what happens? The structure of DNA we have seen, it is the double helical structure. It is the DNA structure. Structure of DNA. So when the process of protein synthesis is initialized, this DNA takes place a very important role. अब क्या होगा, हमको अगर प्रोटीन, हमारे सेल को अगर प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज करना है तो हमारे सेल के अंदर में जो डीएनए है, डीएनए पर एक एंजाइम क्या होगा, अटैच होगा. दैट एंजाइम इज कॉल्ड एज polymerase, RNA polymerase enzyme. This is the enzyme which attach with DNA in order to form mRNA, a messenger RNA. So this is the RNA polymerase enzyme. It is the RNA polymerase enzyme which attached with the DNA. Here, okay. Then, due to the effect of RNA polymerase enzyme, this DNA starts unwinding. The structure of DNA becomes like this. See the structure of DNA. This is a two-stage structure. When RNA polymerase enzymes attach with the DNA, few of the genes of the DNA will unwind. वो unwind हो जाएंगे. Here we have RNA polymerase enzyme again. Here it is the RNA polymerase enzyme. Here we have nitrogenous bases, sequence of nitrogenous bases. Suppose here we have A, here we have T, here we have G, C, G, C, A, G, C, here we have A. So these are A, T, G, C, G, A, G, C. Here we will take one more T, C, A are the nitrogenous bases that we have discussed yesterday. And we know this A always combines with T always combines with A, G always combines with C combines with G, then C combines with G. Here we have G, so here C will come. Here we have T, C, A, T and G. So these are the nitrogenous bases. They are attached with each other by hydrogen bond. Here hydrogen bond is present. Here infinite number of nitrogen bases, they attach with each other. Then again, what happens? DNA, which is present inside the nucleus, in order to form the RNA polymerase enzyme attached with the DNA. Then, due to the effect of RNA polymerase enzyme, the DNA start uncoiled. After uncoiling of the strand of the DNA, this hydrogen bond breaks down. See that structure we are saying in a broad way here. Okay, हम इस स्ट्रक्चर का ब्रॉड फॉर्म देख रहे हैं. Like this. Here we have A, then we have T, then we have G, C, G, A, G, T, A and C. This is the one strand of DNA. Here we have T, A, C, G, C, T, C, A, T and G. So these are the nitrogenous bases. These nitrogen bases are of one strand and these nitrogen bases of second strand of the DNA. So here the hydrogen bond which are responsible to join both the nitrogen bases of the two strands of the DNA, that breaks down due to the effect of RNA polymerase enzyme. So इनके बीच में जो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड था वो क्या हो गया? ब्रेक हो गया. Then the formation of RNA or mRNA we can say takes place. Here this is the mRNA which starts from forming. Okay, so here we have T. T means thymine, so it always binds with A. Here we have A. A से कौन bind करेगा? T. But we have discussed yesterday that the thymine of the DNA which is replaced by uracil in RNA. So here will come U. U is uracil. बाकी सब सेम रहेगा, बट थाइमिन के बदले में यूरासिल आएगा आरएनए में. सो यहाँ पर है सी, तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा जी, देन सी, सी, जी, ए, यहाँ पर टी था तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा ए, सी है तो जी, ए है तो टी आने वाला है, बट टी थाइमिन रिप्लेस हो रहा है यूरासिल से, सो वी हैव टू राइट यू. देन वी हैव टी के बदले में आ जाएगा ए और जी के बदले में आ जाएगा सी. ओके, सो ये आरएनए का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एमआरएनए. दिस इज एमआरएनए. M means messenger RNA. So the messenger RNA which is formed inside the nucleus, it comes out from the nucleus pore. ये जो mRNA का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस, ये इस न्यूक्लियर पोर से बाहर आएगा. See, this is the mRNA which comes out from the nucleus. This is mRNA. Okay, so the information for the protein synthesis which is stored in DNA, which is stored in DNA. देखो प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस की प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो रही है, सो अब वो इन्फॉर्मेशन किसके पास में स्टोर है? डीएनए के पास. देन डीएनए अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट, यानी किस टाइप का प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज करना है, डीएनए प्रोड्यूसेस द एमआरएनए. आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एमआरएनए, दिस एमआरएनए कम्स आउट इनटू द साइटोप्लाज्म from the nuclear pore. Here our first step of the protein synthesis is completed. So what is transcription? Transcription is nothing but the formation of mRNA through the existing DNA with the help of RNA polymerase enzyme is called as transcription. Is called as transcription. So you have to write the definition also. So here I am writing, so you have to write on your notebook. What is transcription? The process of formation of mRNA. The process of formation of mRNA by existing DNA through or we can say with the help of RNA polymerase enzyme. RNA polymerase enzyme is called as transcription. Is called as transcription, and this process takes place inside the nucleus. This process takes place inside the nucleus. Okay, so you have to write down. Okay, so this is all about transcription. What is transcription? Transcription is the process of formation of mRNA from the existing DNA. From the existing DNA with the help of RNA polymerase enzyme is called as transcription. Okay, so this is the very important process, and this process takes place inside the nucleus. Okay, once the formation of mRNA completed, this mRNA comes out into the cytoplasm through the nuclear pore. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write. So now we will understand the translocation. Once the mRNA formed inside the nucleus, it comes out into the cytoplasm. That means the second process will take place in cytoplasm, in or we can say outside the nucleus. See what happens. Translocation. In translocation, this is the mRNA. This is mRNA which is formed inside the nucleus with the help of RNA polymerase enzyme. Then here we have the tRNA. This is the tRNA, or we can say it is the transfer RNA. The transfer RNA. This transfer RNA comes over the mRNA. यहाँ पर जो न्यूक्लियोटाइड के सीक्वेंसेस है वो बिल्कुल यहाँ पर जो न्यूक्लियोटाइड के सीक्वेंसेस है उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री रहेंगे. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मीन्स इफ वी हैव A here, then here will come U. If here we have U, then U है तो UN यूरेस जो थायमिन है, so थायमिन NH यूरेस से बाइंड कौन करेगा A, so here will come A. G है यहाँ पर, so here will come C. So जो जिस न्यूक्लियोटाइड से एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड जिस न्यूक्लियोटाइड से बाइंड करेगा वो उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री होगा. क्या होगा उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. और यू कैन से जस्ट अपोजिट. अपोजिट नहीं कहेंगे हम, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कहेंगे. ओके. सो यहाँ पर जो न्यूक्लियोटाइड के सीक्वेंसेस है इन आवर mRNA, अकॉर्डिंग टू द tRNA comes with the complementary sequences here. Here the complementary sequences of AUG is AUAC is the complementary sequence of the tRNA. So tRNA will come here, okay, here, and this is the lysine molecule. This is the lysine molecule. Lysine is nothing but the single unit of protein. Single unit of protein. We called it amino acid. Amino acid. Okay. So this mRNA will attract this tRNA. This takes place in presence of ribosomes. So here the ribosome will present. This is the ribosomes. When ribosome attached with mRNA, it called rRNA. rRNA. This is the ribosomal ribose nucleic acid. हम इसको कहते हैं rRNA. So rRNA will attract tRNA over mRNA to attract in such a way that these AUG are the nucleotide sequences, the complementary of tRNA. Okay. So when tRNA will comes here, this lysine molecule, this is the lysine molecule, nothing but amino acid will released here. Then this ribosome will move over here. So this is the second position of ribosomes. Then it will transfer here. Then each time 3 nucleotides are going to read by tRNA with the help of rRNA. So accordingly, here one more lysine molecule will come. Then next tRNA will come according to the complementary sequence of nucleotide. Then another tRNA will release one more amino acid here. So likewise, this amino acid will combine to each other to form protein. These are the amino acid. This combines together to form protein. So this is the process in our cell by which the protein is synthesized. So what is translation? Translation is the transfer is nothing but the transfer RNA will come here according to the complementary sequences of nucleotide and releases amino acid, or we can say lysine molecule will come here. Then lysine molecule release किया, tRNA वो बाहर चला जाएगा. Then next tRNA will come according to the nucleotide sequences of amino acid of the mRNA. Then another tRNA will release another amino acid. Likewise, the chain of amino acid is formed. That chain of amino acid is called as protein. And what is translocation? The translocation is nothing but the transfer of this ribosome from one end of the another end of the mRNA is called as translocation. Translocation क्या है? राइबोसोम क्या करेगा? ये यहाँ की जितने भी सीक्वेंसेस है हमारे mRNA के उनको रीड करना है. अब रीड करना क्यों है? अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन. दैट्स व्हाई it moves from the one end of the mRNA to another end. This process is called as translocation. Okay, so transcription, translation and translocation, these three steps involved in the formation of protein. So this is the way the protein is synthesized in our body as well as in the body of other organisms, and this process combinedly called central dogma. So what is central dogma? The central dogma is nothing but the formation of protein with the help of DNA, RNA, mRNA, tRNA and rRNA is called as, this is the central process of the cell. That's why it is called as central dogma. And protein is the substance which functions all the life processes in our body. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.